Hey everyone, welcome back to my another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to use triggers in Asana to automate your workflow and save time. So let's get started. Asana is a powerful project management tool, and with triggers, you can automate repetitive tasks and streamline your process. In this video, we'll cover what triggers are and how to set them up in Asana. Firstly, we have to know what is triggers. First, let's talk about the triggers. Triggers in Asana are automated actions that occur when certain conditions are met. For example, you can automatically assign tasks, update task status, or move tasks between sections. Then you'll need to go one of your project. Then you'll see a customize option in the top right corner. Just click on it, select the rules, then you will see a lot of familiar recommendations are available there. So you just select any of one and you can also create custom rule. So I'll choose create custom rule. Then I add my rule name like tax one. Then you can choose when it is a trigger that sets the rule in motion. So I'll choose tax is added to the project. Then check if option. Here I'll choose assignees and I'll choose mine. Then I'll choose do this. And for there, I'll choose like there are also other function like change tax field, change tax status, move tax. So I'll choose move tax. So you can also choose. You can also have to add your project name. So I'll have a project is goal process workflow. Then you have to just select the publish option. That's it. And that's how you use triggers in Asana. Automating your tasks can save your time and help keep your project on track. Give a try and see how it improves your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Leave a comment below if you have any question or other topics you would like to us to cover. Thanks everyone.